David 23, verse 5 and 6.
Behold, the days are coming, says the Lord, on all caps, that I will raise to David a branch of the righteousness. A king shall reign and prosper and execute judgment, and the righteous in the earth.
Okay, we stop there real quick?
Sure.
So you understand that this is speaking about the Messiah. The Messiah, all throughout the scriptures, is named the righteous king that comes from David. You understand that, right?
Okay, so I do want to understand something here then. So the Lord here, Yahweh, is not the one that's coming. He's the one speaking.
So, yeah, Yahweh is speaking.
So Yahweh is speaking.
Yeah, Yahweh is speaking. Can you read verse 6?
Okay. In his days, Judah will be saved and Israel will dwell safely. Now that is his name by which he will be called.
Which is?
The Lord of righteousness.
Is that Lord in all caps?
It is. And
So-
righteousness also. I don't know why.
Yeah, because that name specifically that's attributed to that person is Yahweh.
I would like to make a point that you said in caps, even our righteousness is all in caps. And this qualifies the Lord, our righteousness, altogether. Very interestingly. If you believe that this Messiah is God and he was sent by God, then even by your own admission, you have two gods.
No, so can you read the prompt again?
Sure.
Yeah.